Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue that many of us have faced when working with text on our computers or mobile devices. Have you ever noticed how the cursor position doesn't seem to change? Even when you adjust the font size, it can be quite frustrating, especially if you're trying to edit a document or write an email. This topic might seem minor at first glance, but it's actually a fundamental aspect of how our devices handle text rendering. Understanding why this happens and what's going on behind the scenes can help us better appreciate the complexity of digital typography. In this video, we'll dive into the world of font sizes, cursor positions, and text rendering to explore the reasons behind this phenomenon. By the end of this explanation, you'll have a deeper understanding of how your device handles text and what's happening when you adjust that font size. When we think about text on our devices, we tend to assume that it's just a simple matter of typing characters onto a screen. However, the reality is much more complex. Text rendering involves a multitude of factors, including font sizes, styles, and spacing, as well as the device's resolution, pixel density, and even the operating system itself. The cursor position, in particular, is determined by a combination of these factors. When you type or move your cursor within a text field, the device calculates the optimal position based on the current font size, character width, and line spacing. This calculation happens rapidly, often in real time, as you interact with the text. Now, when you adjust the font size, you might expect the cursor position to shift accordingly. However, this isn't always the case. The reason lies in how devices handle font sizes and text rendering. You see, most modern operating systems use a technique called subpixel rendering to optimize text display. Subpixel rendering allows devices to render text at non-integer pixel positions, effectively creating a virtual grid that's finer than the actual pixel density of the screen. This enables smoother font rendering and improved readability. However, it also means that the cursor position is calculated based on this virtual grid rather than the physical pixels themselves. As a result, when you change the font size, the cursor position might not immediately adjust because the device is still referencing the original subpixel coordinate. It's only when the text re-renders at the new font size that the cursor position updates to reflect the changed layout. So, what should you take away from this explanation? Here are the key points. The cursor position doesn't always change with font size adjustments due to subpixel rendering and virtual grid calculations. Devices calculate cursor positions based on a combination of factors, including font sizes, style, spacing, resolution, and operating system. Text rendering is a complex process involving multiple variables, making it challenging to predict cursor behavior. The next time you notice that your cursor position doesn't seem to change with the font size, remember that there's more going on behind the scenes than meets the eye. Your device is working hard to optimize text display and rendering, even if it might not always behave exactly as you expect. If you found this explanation helpful or have any questions about text rendering, cursor positions, or subpixel rendering, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content on technology, programming, and design. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.